Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Liv, and in today's video I will be showing you how to make graham cracker toffee. I make this all the time around the holidays, so if you're interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Alright, so here are the ingredients that I use. It's 2 sticks of butter, a pack, to a pack and a half of graham crackers, about half a cup of pecan halves, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and brown sugar. And as this video goes along, I will show you guys the breakdown on how I put the ingredients together. You want to line your baking pan with aluminum foil. That way it'll be easy for the toffee to come out of the pan and an easy cleanup for you also. You want to melt both of your sticks of butter in a small saucepan. It should look like this when it's completely melted. Now you want to go ahead and add in a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract, and I also put a dash of cinnamon. Now you guys know I pretty much eyeball my ingredients. And you want to stir that in. And now you want to add in a cup of packed light brown sugar. Now if you want to add regular brown sugar, that's fine, but I prefer the light brown sugar because it's less sweeter and I really like it this way. You incorporate those ingredients. This is the color you want to achieve, but the thing about making toffee, you want to keep stirring it until it gets really thick. So keep stirring. And this is the color that you want your toffee to look like. And you want to make sure your temperature is on a medium-low heat. Wait for the toffee mixture to thicken. I'm going to go ahead and line my pan with graham crackers. Now after you get to that part, you want to cut your graham crackers into squares and fill it up, but then here you have this small gap where a square of graham crackers is not going to fit, so you might want to cut it into small rectangular pieces, and they should be able to fit in those spaces. Now you don't want to make it to be super perfect. It's fine. You just want to make sure all the pieces fit, no matter if you have gaps or not. Back to the toffee mixture. Now, as you can see here, I'm using a whisk and I'm using it to make sure that everything is mixed in and it's thickening up. And as you guys can see, it's boiling and it's bubbling up and it is thickening up really nicely. So now I am going in with just a small tablespoon of raw honey, and this just brings a whole nother flavor profile out. And as you can see, when I'm stirring it, it turns a deep dark molasses color, but don't get me wrong, it's gonna lighten up, and it is so amazing. I love the way this looks. It's amazing. As I wait for it to thicken up, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my pecan halves using my food processor, and I throw in the entire snack size bag of pecans, which is pretty much at least half a cup, and I chop it up until it's like small, tiny, bite-sized, pea-sized pieces. This is what you want your pecans to look like, because you want it to cover the entire graham cracker toffee layer. Now we're moving back to the toffee mixture and making sure that everything is thickening up as it should be. At this point, I have turned the heat off because it is to the consistency and thickness of as it should be. As you can see around the rim of the pan, it is like a dark molasses color. Now see here, as I put the spatula to the edge and pull it away, you see that the toffee is separating from the pan. That lets me know it is at the thickness that it should be, and it is pretty much the texture. How do I describe this? When you use the spatula and the way it drips like right off the spatula is pretty much non-stick. I don't know how to describe this, you guys, but it's very sciencey to me, and it's just pretty much amazing. But the toffee is ready. Y'all see that? It's ready. Oh, you guys, I had to get a spoon so you guys can see what I mean by the toffee is ready. You guys see how thick it is, and you see the tackiness and how sticky it is. You want your toffee to be this texture. It's buttery, also delicious, cinnamony. It's giving you fall flavor. It's giving you toffee, buttery, caramelly. This is the texture and color of the toffee you want it to be. And it takes time, it takes patience, but we got a good pot of toffee right here. Now I am going to pour this toffee mixture over the graham crackers. Oh my God, I love seeing this. Just oof, it looks so good. After you spread the toffee mixture over every single layer of graham cracker, now you want to sprinkle the pecans over the graham cracker toffee mixture, and you want to make sure every single piece gets pecan pieces all over. And after that, you want to pat the pecans into the graham cracker toffee mixture, because you want to make sure that sticks. That is the goal here. We want to make sure that every single pecan sticks. So now you go ahead, set your oven to 350 degrees for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I thought it was going to take me 15 minutes, but it took me 20 minutes. So we are going to place it in the oven on 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, the graham cracker toffee mixture is completely done. You want to let it sit for at least 5 minutes so it can cool. And you guys, look at it. It looks so amazing. It looks delicious. Oh my God. You guys have to try this. It is so good. Wow. Alright, after 5 to 7 minutes have passed and it's cooled down completely, you want to go in and break the toffee into small pieces. You're going to have big chunks, you're going to have small chunks. Who cares? You want your pieces to be imperfectly uneven, if that makes sense. But you guys, toffee is toffee and it looks delicious. I say that it's a cross between a cookie and a candy, so it's a cookie candy bar, if you will. It is the best of both worlds. So I thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you would try this and make it for your family. And if you do, if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you tag me. I would like to see your pictures. So I thank you guys for tuning in to this video, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.